Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to make your audio files available offline in Google Drive. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you may not have internet access, but still want to enjoy your favorite tracks or important audio files. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have the Google Drive app installed on your device. If you haven't done so yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, open the Google Drive app. You'll see all your files neatly organized. Now, navigate to the audio file that you want to make available offline. This could be a music track, a podcast, or any other audio format that you've uploaded to your drive. Next, look for the three dots icon located next to the audio file. This icon represents the options menu for that specific file. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to that file. In this menu, find the option labeled Available Offline. When you see it, simply click on it. A prompt will appear confirming that the file is now being made available offline. This means that even if you lose internet connectivity, you'll still be able to access and listen to this audio file directly from your device. After selecting Available Offline, it's a good idea to leave the Google Drive app open for a moment. This allows the app enough time to download the file fully onto your device. Once the download is complete, you can close the app or navigate away from it. And there you have it. You've successfully made your audio file available offline in Google Drive. Now, whenever you're on the go or in an area without internet access, you can easily access and enjoy your audio content without any interruptions. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips on using Google Drive and other tech tools. Enjoy your offline listening experience.